Hi guys, welcome back to our channel. So in this guide, I'm going to teach you on how you can download music from YouTube. So first, open a web browser, go to youtube.com. Even if you're using a mobile device, you need to close the YouTube application and then go to youtube.com, log into your specific account. And if you're in your phone, go ahead and click on the three dots in the top right and there select desktop site. After that, you need to access your YouTube studio. Click on your profile picture icon in the top right corner of your screen. Then select YouTube Studio. This will take you to studio.youtube.com and navigate to the audio library. Go ahead and select audio library from the left-hand side of the screen, which is below the customization option. And in the audio library, you can browse various music tracks. To review a track, tap on play or pause button next to it. And to check the licensing, you can review the license information on the right side of the track. Simply hover your mouse to the YouTube icon and you'll be able to view it right there. Now to download a track, you need to tap on the download button on the right. Go ahead and click on it to start the download, and you can then go ahead and save it on your device. On a computer, you can open your File Explorer and your downloaded music will be typically in your downloads folder. And on your phone, you can open your Files app and the music should appear in your recents. So that's it. I hope you found this video helpful. If you did, please like, share, and subscribe. Thanks for watching. We'll see you again in the next one.